Okay, checkpoint 12.3.2. This is the okay. If you look at here, main methods. Okay, we have object reference variable called O. Then the value is null, so it doesn't really have object. Normally we say new. Then name of the class called object. Then there will be the default constructor. So we can actually have an object refers to that particular object so that we can use it. So toString method, we can print what's inside the object. So if you run this program, you're going to have a null pointer exception, because object reference variable O doesn't really point to any object, but you are trying to print something there. So here's one null pointer exception error. Okay, that is actually something to do with here object, then toString, because object is null. Okay, it doesn't, this object reference variable does not point to any object yet. So fixing this problem, the easiest one, of course, you can say here new, use a default constructor object. Then if you run it, now you have a object reference variable O has a reference to this object, and then a print. Okay, just print the object name of the object, object's ID. Okay, unit identification shows up here. Okay, ideally you can say this way, or you can actually use try and catch if you want. Okay, so if I go back to original one, say change back to null, then what you are trying to do is you try to print. Okay, and catch. Then here, if you go back, okay, null pointer, okay, exceptions, I will say EX, then you can print error message to string. So in this case, it will print error message, okay, because there is null pointer exceptions, then it will terminate it gracefully. Okay, so it built successfully, print a message. Okay, so this is one of the reasons why we like to use exception handling this particular exception. That's all. Thank you.